Hello and welcome to the 6 o'clock news. The main topic today will be about Lloyds Insurance and how they face challenges such as climate change, and shortly I'll be joined by 2 employees. Unlike most other insurance brands, Lloyds is not a company. It's a market where their members join together as syndicates to insure and reinsure risks. Lloyds is the world's leading specialist insurance market, conducting businesses in over 200 countries and territories worldwide. They are facing challenges of climate change, as the world's climate is changing and having a significant social and economic impacts on companies. The insurance sector enables businesses and individuals to manage risk, including long-term threats such as climate change, and the long-term stability of our economy hinges on the appropriate response to this threat. The climate-wise principles provide a framework for insurance companies worldwide to set out how they will build climate change into their business operations. I'll now be joined in the studio by 2 employees from Lloyds Insurance.
Hi, I'm Henna. I'm the manager from Lloyds Insurance, and this is my colleague uziar. Today I'll be talking about the SWOT analysis, which is to identify the business strengths and weaknesses and examine the opportunities and threats which Lloyds Insurance will be facing. Lloyds Insurance SWOT analysis. Major strengths within Lloyds Insurance are that the payment rates are increasing, so are the commissions, and also prospects expect that services from the brokers. The major weaknesses within Lloyds Insurance are that there is an increase of trend and of financial weaknesses among the company, and also there are more competitors for agencies to compete with, such as banks and internet players. Opportunities which Lloyds Insurance face are such as the ability to cross-sell financial services, which is barely being tapped at the moment, and the technology is being improved to the point where paperless transactions are now available, and also the client's increasing need for an insurance consultant can now open new ways to service the client and generate income. And the threats which Lloyds Insurance are facing at the moment are the increased cost and need for insurance, which might hit them where backlash might occur. And the government relations on issues such as healthcare and terrorism can quickly change the direction of insurance by increasing expenses and lower profit margins, which will have a highly effect on Lloyds Insurance. And finally, increasing expenses and lower profit margins, which will also hit Lloyds Insurance. Now we're passing to my colleague uziar to talk about the Porters by Forces.
Porters by Forces is a model which identifies and analyzes 5 competitive forces that shape every industry and helps determine an industry's weaknesses and strengths. There are 5 factors within Porters by Forces: potential of new entrants, competition in the industry, potential suppliers, potential of buyers, and threats of substitute products. The first entry of competitors. Questions we have to ask ourselves are: is there brand awareness, brand loyalty, and are customers loyal? As Lloyds Insurance, being a well-established company, customers tend to go with big names such as Lloyds Insurance rather than an unknown or relatively less-known company. The second aspect within Porters by Forces is threats of substitutes. Also, buyers may not look elsewhere. The willingness to substitute. During the recession, customers tend to stick with what they got. And also, what must be taken into consideration is the relative price and performance of the substitute. Is it worth looking elsewhere? Bargaining power of suppliers. What we can ask ourselves are the suppliers reliable enough? Do they offer value for money? Another key question can be raised there: is it easy for suppliers to find new customers such as its competitors?
Thank you, uziar. We'll be now having a live talk with one of the executives of Lloyds Insurance.
Hiya, my name is Zainabb, and I'm a representative of Lloyds Insurance Company, and I'm going to be talking about PESTLE. PESTLE stands for Political, Environmental, Social, Technological, Economic and Legal. The regulations by government affect demand for insurance policies. The government has cut spending on flood defences across the country. This could have an influence on the price of housing for insurance. Prices could increase. This will reduce the number of customers that Lloyds Insurance gets. Lloyds' aim is to be as economically friendly as possible. In their building, they have started to upgrade their heating and chilling equipment. This will make their building more energy efficient. Also, they now have video conference technology. This means that they can reduce their air travel wherever possible. Lloyds support global leaders that are supporting taking steps that will avoid dangerous climate change. The chairman, Lloyd Levine, has travelled the world to have conversations with people such as the Governor of California and the Governor of Florida. Lloyds underwrites risks for renewable energy sources. These include wind farms, construction, bio-oil and solar plants. They provide cover for more than 25,000 wind turbines globally and over 20% of the world's wind capacity. Lloyds aims to be environmentally friendly as long as economically friendly. This is shown in the economic part of the pestle. By trying to save energy, they are being both environmentally and economically friendly. That was my pestle. Over to you guys.
It can be said that Lloyds Insurance not only fits into one, but two competing value frameworks, which are open systems model and the human relations model. Relating to the open systems model, one of the key elements are negotiating agreement and commitment. There is a key link between the staff and the consumers, as Lloyds Insurance offers services to its customers, hence negotiating must be one of its top priorities.
Another competing value framework is the human relations model. One of its key issues is understanding self and others. This is because consumers' wants and needs are continuously changing. Therefore, Lloyds Insurance must keep up with customers' demands. This is why understanding others is a key element. That will be all for Porters by Forces.
And that will be all for Lloyds Insurance. Thank you for watching. Good night.